Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to use Google Maps for direction. Well, Google Map is a web-based mapping service developed by Google. It offers satellite imagery, street maps, panoramic views of streets, real-time traffic conditions, and route planning for traveling by foot, car, bicycle, or public transportation. It also provides information about businesses and landmarks, including reviews, ratings, and photos. Google Maps is available on desktop and mobile devices and has become one of the most widely used mapping applications worldwide. It is a useful tool for navigating unfamiliar places, finding directions, and exploring different parts of the world. Well, how to use a Google Map for directions. First, you need to go to your browser and open Google Maps app or go to the Google Maps website, which is maps.google.com. Then enter. Then in here, enter your starting location in the from box. Example here. Then enter. And then your destination in the to box. So choose your starting point here and search. Choose your mode of transportation. So you can use walking, driving, biking, or public transit. If you use walking, it will be 3 hours and 15 minutes. While if you use a driving option here, it's going to be 46 minutes only. If applicable, choose your preferred route based on distance, time, or traffic condition. Example, we're gonna use by MacArthur Highway. Or just click on this one. You can see now it will be 15 minutes. Also, you can use this also, this route, to go to that place. So there are three options to go or to choose from. Follow the turn-by-turn direction on the map or list view. You can see it here, the details. It comes to this location and this one. You can also customize your direction by adding multiple stops, avoiding tolls or highways, and specific your arrival or departure time. When it comes to additionally information, Google Maps also provide real-time traffic updates and alternate routes to help you avoid traffic, congestions, and delays. But always remember, Google Maps are only active if you use a internet connection. Well, what's the benefit of using Google Maps? Well, Google Maps is constantly updated with new information, including street names, business information, and real-time traffic condition. Google Map is a user-friendly and easy to navigate even for those who are not tech savvy. Google Maps offers direction for driving, walking, biking, and public transit, allowing users to choose the mode of transportation that best suits their needs. And Google Maps can optimize routes based on traffic condition, distance, and time, helping users save time and avoid traffic congestions. Google Maps provide information on businesses, including reviews, rating, and photos, making it easy for users to find and choose the best restaurant, hotels, and other services in a given area. So you can see here the gas, EV charging, and hotels. If you choose hotel, here you can see a lot of hotels that available on this route. If you choose a EV charging or gas, you can see all the gas station available here. Street view. Google Maps offers a street view which provides panoramic views of streets and landmarks, allowing users to explore new places and get a sense of what they look like before arriving. So to do that, just click on this person and then drag it to see what's look like on that street. Yes, Google Maps is a versatile and helpful tool that can help users navigate and explore the world with ease. So, if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.